Hear that, folks? That is rain. That's something we ain't seen in a while. Man, I'm so excited I can't even talk. It has been a month, maybe a little longer, since we've had any rain. And we are just tickled to death to get it today. I don't know how much we're going to get, but we're supposed to get some for the next 4 days. Yeah, buddy. I know this probably ain't much to get excited about to most of y'all, but to us it's great because our light bills have been killing us. As you can see, our grass is dying, or it's already dead almost. And the heat down here with the humidity is about to kill us. So, yeah, we're all excited about the rain, I'll tell you. We're celebrating. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, just want to share this with y'all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.